Presenting the Komatsu PC210-10 hydraulic excavator. Newly imported from Japan and now available at 𝙤𝙑𝙯𝙀 International Trading Corporation. This machine is built for heavy-duty operations, ensuring high performance in all terrains. With a machine weight of 17,400 kilograms and a rated output of 118 kilowatts, this excavator delivers both power and precision in all your operations. Its maximum speed reaches 5.5 kilometers per hour both forwards and in reverse. The excavator comes equipped with a 0.8 cubic meter bucket, making it ideal for digging, loading, and moving materials. The bucket load ranges between 720 and 760 kilograms, designed for versatility across different applications. This unit has completed 11,434 working hours, but remains in excellent mechanical and electrical condition, demonstrating its durability and long-term operational capability. The Komatsu PC210-10 features a clean and sturdy chassis, underscoring its well-maintained structure. It comes fully tested, with all systems in complete electrical and mechanical working condition. Manufactured in March 2014, with serial number 451559. This excavator has undergone stringent inspection and meets all relevant safety standards, whether for construction, excavation, or material handling. The Komatsu PC210-10 provides unmatched versatility and productivity. Available now at 𝙤𝙑𝙯 International Trading Corporation. Located at Argonaut Highway, Boton area, Subic Bay Freeport Zone, SBFC. Visit our yard today and see this powerful machine in action. For inquiries, contact 𝙁𝙗𝙗 our marketing manager at 0945-583-4079 and secure this heavy-duty excavator for your next project.